Bursts of gunshots. The battlefield was Lyari. Tension prevailed throughout the day across what is both a PPP stronghold and also a notorious site of gang warfare. Agitated protesters registered their anger by pelting stones and torching tires, while armed protesters fired in the air, forcing residents to remain indoors and shopkeepers to bring their shutters down. Heavy contingents of police and paramilitary troops manned the area. Intense firing also broke out between the law enforcing agencies and the miscreants, causing 2 deaths and 7 injuries. 2 armored personnel carriers of the police and paramilitary troops were hit with bullets and damaged, while a policeman was also injured. Police say Art Chowk, Shidi Village, Mola Madad, Dubai Chowk and Chakiwara were the worst hit areas as the protesters run riot in Lyari throughout the day. After hard resistance, the heavy contingency of police eventually managed to bring the situation under control. Police arrested 2 men during a clash with protesters and seized a submachine gun from their possession. Police claim presence of criminal mafia heightens the tension here, and so Lyari remains flashpoint for violence. Sabina Agha with cameraman Khalil Ahmed, Jio, Karachi.